How to make a scatter plot in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Select the area you want as scatter plot and then click on Insert at the top. In Insert, you'll find Scatter Plot in the Charts section. Click on it and simply select the basic one. After that, as you can see, plot has been applied. You can also drag it wherever you want. Simply double click on the chart and you'll find chart designs pop up. In here, if you click on change color at the top, you'll be able to change color of the plots. You can also change the whole color by clicking on arrow like option. As you can see, there are many options. Select the one you prefer. After that, if you want to change any numbers, simply click on the cell you want to change number of. As you can see, I'm changing 400 to 100. If I press on enter, and the plot will automatically change. As you can see, it has changed. And this is how to make a scatter plot in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.